Sastrikant, Namaste. Good evening. Today, the silver medalist of India, Saikom Mirabai Sanu, back to home. Yesterday, she achieved silver medal after a long time, and government of India appreciate him, and especially Manipur government encourage her and offer additional SP sports to her. To her. He got silver medal from the Tokyo Olympic 2020.
ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯗꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ BMW ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯇꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯣ ꯑꯁ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯕꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯐꯖꯔꯦ